Welcome to again a review, and today our movie is official adaptation of the graphic novel of the same name. Old Guard has hit the digital platform with Netflix. This world is driven by content, and it's better to watch a 5-minute review rather than watching a 2-hour movie to make sure that you're watching the right thing. So I'll tell you what I'm going to tell you in this video. The first step is going to be the story, then the direction, then the performances, and at the end whether the movie is watchable or not. So let's get started with the story. Story focuses on the 4 ancient missionaries who have been living secret lives. The main thing is that these 4 ancient missionaries are immortal, fighting from the ancient weapons to the modern arsenals. These 4 characters are the best in what they do. On the other hand, a biotech company is chasing these 4 people to get their secret of enormous mortality, fused with some interesting action sequences and fascinating storyline. Old Guard is available on Netflix now and you can watch it. I've already loved Extraction. You can definitely go for this. I vouch for it that you're going to be entertained for the next 2.5 hours and so. When the story progresses, they find another version of their race who is younger in age, has the same capabilities of these 4 missionaries. Now to convince that counterpart and get it into their team, that is challenging. The biological company is trying to hunt them down to extract their secrets, and this is how the battle begins. Not much about the spoilers of the story. Exactly the super feel of Mad Max Fury Road and Extraction, a combination comes here with the Old Guard with the same graphic novel. If you've already read the graphic novel, the story would be very familiar to that. But the adaptation is quite good because they have molded the story according to the audience, and amazing writing skills with the screenplay which engages the audience till the end. Now let us talk quickly about the direction. This is directed by Gina Prince Bythewood, and she has done a fabulous job. And she's also known for Love and Basketball's Secret Life of Bees. Both era deals with the aesthetic sense of creativity which is reflected on Gina's work. So I would say that the direction is a thumbs up. Talking about the performances, Andy, played by Charlize Theron, has done a brilliant performance. We have seen her in Mad Max Fury Road. If you've already liked the movie, I'm sure you're going to like Old Guard too. Chiwetel Ejiofor, who plays the protagonist, we have seen him in 12 Years a Slave. So whether it's 12 Years a Slave or Old Guard, this man is a genius and delivers best acting skills to the table. We have Kiki Lane playing the Neil, the younger version of these immortals, the 5th one. She has done a pretty good job too. We have Bhavana Kanzari as Joe. So these characters are also important to watch. These characters fight among themselves and of course they kill among themselves. Interesting humor. Old Guard becomes a must watch for everyone. Now talking about watchable, I would say 65% it is watchable. If you do not focus upon the storyline and if you just focus upon the action, then you can definitely expect the action thriller from beautiful creative people who come together and put something incredible on a same platter. So this would be all from our side for again a review for Old Guard. And Old Guard is available on Netflix. Now Netflix has raised its standard with Extraction, and I'm pretty sure that Old Guard will not disappoint you. Thank you for supporting independent content makers like us. If you have any suggestions, please comment below, or you can follow us on the Instagram handle as well for more updates. And if you have already liked the video, please hit the subscription button, press the bell icon. From the next time onwards any video is released, you will get the notification of that. Till the time, I'll take a leave and catch you in another exciting video with another review. Bye bye and take care. Again a review.